Hey guys, this is for Tuesday, October 13th. What you're going to be working on today, if you look at your cover sheet, we are going to be working on writing conclusion. Now, the thing is, I can't do this for you. This is on something that y'all have been working on way before I got involved with the fourth grade deal. So this is about your personal narrative. So you have activity 13.2, and it's 2 sheets. Okay? So, let me look, just so I'm explaining this correctly, because I do not want to miss what Miss Brown has been working on. So what you're going to do is now you're going to be finishing your personal narrative by writing your own conclusion. You're going to use activity 13.2 to review the directions, and then you're going to write your conclusion based on some of these answers. Now, as you know from our discussion, small steps, that conclusion covered a long piece of writing. It was 3 pages worth of a conclusion. And that's fine because the book or the story was rather long. So you're not going to have a short, sweet conclusion. That would be if you're writing a simple 5-paragraph essay, you would have that. But in a longer story, the story's not going to wrap up really nice and neat just because you want it to. You have to be able to expand. So, your conclusion will include only 1 or 2 events and will be 1 paragraph long. So, take a breath, relax. It's just a paragraph. Okay? It's just a paragraph. 4 or 5 sentences, we're good. Okay? So, if you feel it should be longer or include more events, discuss it with me. But right now, let's just stick with 1 paragraph. Okay? Let's just stick with 1. We're good. Now, a conclusion helps the reader pull from the story altogether. Now, prepare to write your conclusion by answering the following questions. You have 9 questions that you need to answer based on your personal narrative and your conclusion. They are, number 1, it says, what events occurred at the end of your personal narrative experience? Number 2, do you still remember this experience? Number 3, what was the most important thing about this experience? Number 4, how did it change over the course of your personal narrative? 5, what was the same at the beginning and at the end of your personal narrative? 6, what was different at the beginning and at the end of your personal narrative? Number 7, how does the experience continue to impact you today? Number 8, what did you learn or do you think others can learn from your experience? And finally, number 9, now, think about what ideas you want to leave with your reader. Look at the answers you wrote above. Choose 1 or 2 of these to use at the beginning of your conclusion. So you are going to answer questions 1 through 8 to the best of your ability. And then you're going to choose 2 of your best ones and use those to write your conclusion. Simple enough. Okay, you can write your conclusion on the back of one of the papers, or if you have notebook paper, that'd be great. But that's what you're going to do. So remember, you are writing a conclusion, 1 paragraph. Follow the directions on activity 13.2. Answer the yay questions. Choose the 2 that you feel strongest about and use those in your conclusion. Because tomorrow we're going to put it all together in 1 great essay. I will talk to y'all later. Stay out of trouble. See you later.